Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video, and this is JOAHBOX, and this is what it looks like. Now, it normally comes in a box, but this is the first month that they've given me a little pouch, so I'm not sure if this is going to be a new monthly thing for them, but it cuts down on packaging, so I like that. So if you're new to JOAHBOX, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before, if you've seen any of my videos, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to click forward. So JOAHBOX is a Korean subscription box, so it comes straight from Korea and it ships worldwide for free. So it depends on where you are in the world, you might get your boxes or pouches at different times. Now, because I get this at the end of the month, I find it's easier for me to start doing the unboxings at the start of the month. So this is actually JOAHBOX February pouch. So the cost of a JOAHBOX subscription, a monthly subscription, would cost you either $33, which is around £25 a month, or you can opt for a one-off box to try before you decide if maybe what the subscription's like, and that would cost you $35.95, or into UK pounds that would cost around £27. They also do a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, which brings the cost down a little bit. So JOAHBOX sends me these pouches. I was going to say a box, but it's a pouch now. They send me them every month, and I have a refer a friend code, so if you're interested in taking out a subscription for yourself, or if you're just interested in learning a little bit more about what it's all about, seeing their website, seeing previous boxes and things like that, then everything related in this video will be listed down below. So click on the show more, that will bring a description, and all the details will be down there. Each month you get between 5 to 7 beauty treats. Now, every month since I've been receiving these, I've always had a face mask. So it's a face mask and a couple of more items. Now, the products have really impressed me. I am new to Korean beauty, so I really enjoyed, and I continue to enjoy seeing what the products are like. I've had some amazing skincare products, really lovely, like nighttime creams and makeup and lipsticks and things like that. You do get to have your say in what you receive to an extent. You don't know exactly what you'll be having, but there's an option online that when you sign up to do a little bit of a questionnaire, so it asks you your skin type, your skin tone, your preferences, whether you prefer skincare over makeup and so on. So it can be tailored to you as much as possible as far as a mystery subscription box goes. Because all the products are in Korean, they also have a little booklet inside telling you how to use the products and what they are in English, so you're able to see what to do. But also online, every month they do give you the lowdown about the products, and they give you tips and tricks and things like that, so you can go online to take a look there as well. I'm eating my hair! Ugh. It's featured in lots of articles, it's featured online. You type in JOAHBOX into Google and it'll bring up, it's listed one of the best subscription boxes from Korea out there. So yeah, let's see what this month brings then. So I'm loving this pouch, I think it's really cool. This is the little leaflet that you get. It refers to everything inside the box. It gives you the cost as well, so I'll be totting that all up at the end to give you an overall value, but I'll be referring to this as we go along. So let's see the first item. We've got, is it MYJOAHBOX, and this is Bashful Blusher. So it looks like there. A vibrant, velvety, creamy blusher that brightens the cheeks as those of a shy girl. Okay. Oh, I like the packaging. That is quite smart. So you've got a mirror, and then that's the blush there. Let's take this off. Oh, it's stuck, hold on. Cream blush. Okay, it's a cream blush. I love that colour. That is so nice, like a coral colour. Look, that is really lovely. Oh, it blends out really nice as well. Oh no, I really like that. Very smart, very thin, but nice and smart. So the recommended retail price for this is $12, and it says the blush has a creamy texture that turns powder once applied. This light blush is formulated with rosehip seed oil and a berry complex. Comes in 3 variations: pink, coral or rose. I am really chuffed I got a coral, definitely. Next we've got, oh, we've got the same thing. Oh no, it's not. No, it's not. It's different price. Look, it's exactly the same. I thought we had 2 then. No, it's MYJOAHBOX, if that's how you say it properly, and it's a face tone sealer. Face tone sealer. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's what that looks like there. I don't know, this packaging is so nice. Look, that is so nice. Very slimline. Okay, what's this then? Oh, it's a colour corrector. Oh my god, look. It's a little quad colour corrector. and a little mirror there as well. I'm really chuffed to that. Let's see what it says here. So the face tone sealer, and this is a $15 color correct pack featuring 4 different colors in one, with a moisturizing and matte texture for perfect skin tone. And it says yellow to conceal purple tones and dark circles, green to conceal redness, purple conceals yellow, white conceals fine lines and wrinkles. Apply an appropriate amount to the areas with imperfections, and then apply your foundation or BB cream. Oh, I'm really chuffed to that. Now, I've tried some of these in the past and I haven't been that impressed with them, but no, really happy to give that a go to see what that's like. So that's the second item. Next, you've got a bottle of something. This is Avocado Mask Boosting Jelly Mist. Oh, amino acid complex. This is 50 mils. Ooh, okay. Jelly mist. So the recommended retail price for this is $15 after applying it under a sheet mask. Oh, okay. Help you balance the pH 5.5 of your skin and also keeps the hydration. The mist will help absorb the nutrition, strengthen skin barrier and skin keratin. It is composed with the famous amino acid complex, and it says how to use. Spray the boosting jelly mist on your face before putting on any type of sheet mask. Now that is completely new to me. Completely new, a skincare product to put on your face before a mask. Okay, now that sounds really, really interesting. So now chuffed to that. We'll give that a go, definitely. And let's go on to the next item, which is the mask then. So I'll put this on my face first and then this afterwards. So we've got Boutique Lab, and this is premium mask pack for moisturizing with aloe vera. So that's the mask we received. So this is the mask. As I said at the start, we tend to get one of these every single month. So what's it say here? So the recommended retail price for this mask is $1.50, and it's formulated without parabens, silicone, ethanol, mineral oil, artificial colours. This face mask is gentle on your skin, comes in 3 variations: green tea, pomegranate and aloe vera. Again, I'm quite chuffed with aloe vera. I really like that on the skin. It feels nice and refreshing. It just says apply on clean skin and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. So that was that item there, and then we've got one item left, and it's a box of something, and it's got British on it. British Shampoo helps to smoothen hair and strengthen hair follicles. And this is empty mils. Ooh, so that's outer packaging. British Ethic Shampoo. So that's what it looks like there. So a nice like little travel size there. So the recommended retail price for this is $8, and it says from the Ethic product line of British we picked this eco-friendly shampoo, including 10 naturally derived ingredients, gently cleanses, nourishes and balances the scalp and hair, ideal for everyday use for all skin types, and strengthen hair follicle, enhances the hair root and minimizes hair loss. pH balance keeps hair smooth, strong and healthy, and it's without SLS, silicone, mineral oil, animal ingredients, artificial colour, paraben and preservatives. Oh my word, that sounds absolutely amazing. It is so hard to find a really, really nice shampoo that does all that, in all honesty. And constantly now I'm aware I don't want to buy any shampoos and conditioners that contain parabens and sulfates, and it is quite hard because they could be under a different name that I'm not aware of, so I'm learning as we go along. So no, it would be really, really interesting to see what that is like. So I'm just going to gather all my items up and I'm going to top them all up as well. So here we go. So we've got 5 items in this month's box. All of them all together comes to around $55–60. So the box is $33, so you're definitely getting your money worth there. We've got some really interesting products again. We always get a mask, so I'm grateful for that. But these two, I really like them. We've got a creamy velvet blush and we've got this colour correcting palette as well. Is that right? Yeah, the face tone sealer. So I'm really excited to try that. The shampoo sounds amazing. And this pre-mask jelly spray, never heard anything like that in my life. So yeah, so those are the items. Again, it hasn't disappointed me. I really, really like it. A bit different, and that is what I love, because you're not going to get these in any other beauty subscription boxes that you get in the UK. You might get the masks. We do see quite a lot of Korean face masks, but yeah, to get actual Korean skincare and makeup, it is different, and it is a treat for me. I like it. So anyway, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you get it? Are you happy with this month's, or February's box, I should say, because you might have received this box by now if you're out of the UK. But yeah, all your opinions I'd love to know. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.